YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. And I thank you for taking the time to check out this video. So I have a haul from Tuesday morning, and it's mainly about the Lullaby lane, but I also wanted to share that I finally received my ice skate punch. This was a freebie. This came back in December. They had a promotional that you can earn some freebies or whatever. I can't remember the whole details, but anyway, what you had to do. But I know I ended up getting mine. It was this album with snowflakes on it, the paper pad, the stickers, and the borders, and it came with a punch. Well, these is on back orders like everything is, because, you know, we can't get stuff here in America because nothing's made here anymore. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is the punch. So I punched out. It looks like, you can't see that probably. Let me put it in my hand. So that's the skateboard punch. And then I also got free, so I'm so glad to have that as part of the whole entire collection. And I'm sure you've seen our punches before because I've shown them. But just in case you haven't, they sit flat, and then you just open it up like that. They have the picture on it, label on it, so that way you know what it is. And I like being able to see it on the side so you know which punch it is when you're going to go grab it. So I just wanted to show you that collection that it went with. So now I have that whole set. And we have had some snow. In fact, today is 70 degrees. And tomorrow it's going to snow. Yay! Weird weather. But anyway, so this is the Lullaby Lane collection, and so it is for boys and girls, and a neutral pad. So it's 3 paper pads to go along with it, and then the embellishments and stuff. So they have what's called the Jammies chain. They put a sticker on it because I think that the original name was onesie, but apparently that's a copyrighted term, and we're not using that term because it's copyrighted. So Jammies. The neat thing about this Jammies one, I was so excited to get it because, one, I do baby layouts, but number 2, I saw some people do some really neat stuff with this. So your first thing would be, oh, you can only do baby layout with this, but that's not true. And of course, you don't have to use these just on your layouts. You can use them on cards. You can cut them apart and all that kind of stuff like that, and make whatever individual tees or whatever. But what people did was they cut out the bottom of it and made them into t-shirts, right? So you can use this as a t-shirt. I've seen people also cut these and use one of our other punches, the ribbon punch, and made the mermaid's tail on the bottom of it. So just different stuff that you can use. So, and of course, these hearts punch out when you punch out the border, and you can keep those as confetti if you need to, whatever you're cutting out a bunch of these strips. So again, you can make it, somebody made it in the tie-dye t-shirts, so you can do different things with those. And I'm going to do some different videos on the border punches to show you how you can use them more than just making a simple border. But that goes along with this collection, and let's jump right in and see what else we have. So first, let's look at the papers. So we have one for boy, one for girl, and then one neutral. And there are 12 packs of paper, double-sided. And well, before I get into that, let me get this out of the way. This is a 10-pack of our light blue solid cardstock, and I didn't have this color, and I know it matches some of this collection, but also I didn't have it because it goes to my other paper pads, so I went on to get that one. It's 80 pounds. So with the Lullaby Lane, this piece of paper you can totally use in your layouts as a white sheet of cardstock because it is acid free and photo archival ready. So these are the prints. So very neutrals, you know, but I like those. You got your duckies on here, but again, they're not limited to just the babies. You have to think outside of the box because most of it's just background papers. And this says you're loved. It's got some trucks on it, but again, it's double-sided, so one side you can do the A side or the B side. So, you know, it doesn't have to always be a kid's paper pad. But again, it could be a masculine one. This reminds me of that that looks like gauze, that cloth, the birthing cloth. Then you got some diamonds, kind of a shape, chevrons, whatever, not chevrons, but hexagons, what I was going to say, but that's not what I want to mean. Parallelograms or something, whatever. Then you got your dots, and you got your hearts, kind of looks like a, makes me think of a sweater. You got your stripes, and then you got your bow in here where you got the moon and the stars, you know, and then you got your crescent moons and the full moon. But again, you can use one side or the other, but these would be great for making masculine cards as well. And that is Lullaby Lane Boy. Then we have Lullaby Lane Girl. And we have 12 sheets for that. Again, you can use that piece. And here, this one is in script. And it says So Much Love. Kind of like an orangey peach. And you got your checks on the back. Again, that same gauze burping pad, but it's in a more of a pink color. And this one has like, it looks like a little hedgehog on the back. And this is floral. Like, this definitely doesn't have to be a little girl. I mean, this could be anything. It's floral. Same with that as well. So you're not limited to baby because of that, because of the title. Same thing with this background print. That can go anything. This one too. You got your hearts. This you can go with, it's February. I mean, these are the hearts up here. You can use this for this time of the month. And you got your little, just like little crosses on the back. And more floral. So this is more like a half of an oval. Excuse me. So you have that. And that's the Lullaby Lane Girl. And then you have your Lullaby Lane period. The Lullaby Lane. And these are just like neutral colors. They can go with either collection, standalone, or with them. It doesn't have to be. So you got your wood grain. Like again, this doesn't have to scream anything about baby. And it doesn't have to scream. These papers are not just for scrapbooking. You've got your XOs. Cards, tags, anything. These are footprints. Your plaid and green. You got your rainbows. You got your ovals cut in half in green. It looks like a little water brush color. Kind of makes me think of a mountain scene in the background too as well. Then you got your gauze for that texture feel again. It's nice to have that texture feel. Safety pins. And again, that's more baby, right? But the other side, you know, you don't have to be. And this is just some circles. And then you got your ABCs and your 1, 2, 3s. So again, you can go with either collection or standalone. Then we have, of course, our variety matte pack, which is 12 4.5 by 6.5 and 12 4 by 6 mats. So with this one, the 4 by 6, you know, you can circle the months and the years here, the weeks and stuff. And like this, you can use this on a page this way. You can fussy cut it out. Same thing here. You can write something there, put a label there, whatever. You can check any of these things off and put the dates. So you have vertical and horizontal of everything. Different ways to journal on your page, because every mommy has memories. Our wishes for you. Right? Let me love you a little bit more before you're not so little anymore. Small moments, big memories. You are my sunshine. And they grow so fast. I'm telling you, you don't think your kids going to ever get bigger, but they do, and then they're gone. Your birth story, moments to remember. 10 little fingers, 10 perfect toes. You'll fill our hearts with love that overflows. And again, today I am. Our family has grown by 2 feet. Good night. I love you. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. God bless you. And don't let the bed bugs get you. We used to say, don't let the bed bugs bite you. And I don't know. That's probably a creepy, horrible story. When you think about it, to say to kids, but I don't know where we got it from. Sleep tight and don't let the bed bugs bite. We do. And I saw a wonderful layout with how to make that. And I'm going to do that as well. A onesie. Well, I can't say that. A jammy. That's a copyrighted word. So again, these are your 4.5 by 6.5. These can be mats, but you can also use this. Take a punch and punch out things. So I look at these as extra places to use as embellishments. You can punch out words, die cut them out. You can use your Cricut on it, silhouette, whatever you have, or just your dies. Plus we cut those items out. So, or just put pictures on them. That's your matte pad. And then of course we always have stickers, so we have 2 packs of stickers with this one. This has your sentiments and your months, in case you want to journal in your, not journal, but scrapbook in a way that, you know, put things in a timely manner. And then you have some of those things like that, just goes along, that's cute. And then some more sentiments that can go on any scrapbook page for a child. And then we have border stickers. And I love these border stickers. Your ducks, your circles, and your blocks, your moon and stars, your cars, and just some flowers. And then you got bottles and safety pins and circles. So any one of these can be used layered to make some borders. And then the last thing in this collection are the embellishments. I'll probably go back and get another one. And this one has 40 die cuts and 60, that 20 of them are double-sided, other 40, and then 60 enamel dots. Enamel stickers, excuse me. So here's the enamel stickers right here. Super cute in the different shapes. I love that. In onesies, and these are enamel stickers and XOs and half moons. And then you get these I don't know which ones are double-sided, but I know they have some that are because I saw them. Yeah, here's some. The feet of the month, you are loved, in 2 different colors. All the circle ones are pretty much double-sided, so you can choose what you want to say. Eat, sleep, poop, and repeat. That is a baby's life, right? Worth the wait. I love you. It's a girl, it's a boy. All night up. Sweet dreams. So just your typical stuff that you would see. So all the months through 12. So that's nice if you want to scrapbook your baby, grandbaby, your niece, nephew, godchild, and want to give them a page. And I got into paper crafting to memorize, to memorialize, you know, those memories, and to have them for my kids, and that's what I need to be doing. So I want to get those down in my memories, as well as create things that are beautiful. So anyway, that is the Lullaby Lane and the Lullaby Boy and the Lullaby Girl collection. If you have any questions about anything, check out my website, my information below. You can always inbox me, email me, check out down below. If you want to order anything, go straight to my page. Or if you have any questions about how anything works, just let me know. But I thank you for your time. Thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.